Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn if can you connect the Phantom Wallet to Dexscreener. Okay, so right here, Dexscreener is not a trading platform and does not connect to any wallet, including the Phantom. So Dexscreener is only for viewing charts, tracking the tokens, checking liquidity, finding new launches, monitoring the prices, and viewing transactions. But you cannot trade, swap, buy tokens, connect Phantom, and approve transactions because Dex Screener is only a charting plus data aggregator site, same like CoinGecko. Okay, so what you can actually do instead if you find a token on Dex Screener and you want to buy it using Phantom, so you just have to go to the real DEX where Phantom connects, for example, Radium, Jupiter, Pump.Fun, or Orca. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.